I'm Taffy, and I just got something in the mail. I got a box. It came from Australia. This is my first order from Glaminatrix Cosmetics. It's an indie makeup company, and I'm stoked that my order has finally arrived. First up, I placed my order for this on the 28th of February. Turnaround time on the website, it said 3 weeks, but because of some stuff, supplies and things over the Christmas order, things were a little backed up. A month later, on the 28th of March, I emailed the chick and she was like, stuff, I know things are happening, I'll chuck in an extra eyeshadow for you. I was like, oh sweet dude, that's cool. Not long after that, it said the order was fulfilled. Took another week for it to be sent to the post office, and then the post from Australia to here took about 2 weeks. So yeah, 2 months later, here we are. I'm stoked that it's arrived. I did notice that she held 2 sales during the time that I was waiting for my stuff. So was I put out that I just missed out on 2 big sales and could have got more stuff for cheaper? Conducting sales when you've got a essentially 2-month turnaround time. I don't know, man. You gotta respect the hustle. It's fine. Okay, so got a lovely big box. That's great. It was filled with lots of these little things. I'm gonna be careful about throwing those out because you know my dog's gonna get into them. It's gonna be a disaster. And then there was all of this, right? Very well packaged inside. Everything was bundled up in a cute little ooh, tissue paper, lovely. And then here are my eyeshadows. Okay, I've got my magnetic palette here, so it's ready for my new acquisitions. Let's get them out, see if I can't figure out which ones they are. And then I'm gonna chuck them on my eyes. First one I got, okay, is the only matte that I got. Here it is in the little package. Oh, cute. I believe this one is called Burlesque. Hello. There it is there. It's pretty. A lovely matte greyish purple mauve. Oh, yeah, right. And yep. Yeah, cool. That looks nice. Right, in the pan. Next one. This is Sapphire. This is a metallic blue. There it is in the pan. Pretty. Okay. Oh, hello. Ooh, shiny. And then on here. Ooh. Oh, okay. Okay. That's very pretty. These ones are all mystery. They don't really, they don't have names on them. So I'm just gonna have to figure this out. Guess what? I'm pretty sure this is Tiffany. There we are. And then that's very pretty. No, I like you. Okay, wonderful. This one I'm pretty sure is Lost Woods. Oh, hello. Look. Green, lovely. Okay. Yeah, no, that's stunning. This is one of their precious metals eyeshadows. They're slightly more expensive than the other shadows. And I got this one in silver. Because you can never have too many silver eyeshadows. Am I right? Anyway, there she is. Ooh, silver, pretty. Oh, fuck me. Okay. Right, yeah, there. Woo! Oh. Oh, look at, that's very shiny. I like that a lot. I'm very pleased. Now these last 3, yeah, I went and got a bunch of green ones. I know, shush. But, and One is Wealth, one is Meadow, and then one of them is my free one, and I'm not quite sure which is which. I think I've figured it out. So this one here is Meadow. There she is in the pan. Pretty. Look, pretty. This one here is Wealth, and it is green, goldy, lovely, lovely, hopefully. Thingy. Whew. That's very pretty. It's a very, it's very gold, but also quite green. And then this is my last one, and I think this is my free one. And bless her for giving me another beautiful green, because, you know, my tastes aren't super obvious. Yes. Oh, look. Oh, look. Oh, exquisite. Okay. Oh, look. Yeah. Wow, dude. Look at this. Look at how shiny they are. Look how beautiful they are. Holy moly. Okay, swatch with fingers. They all look exquisite. Huh. Did I order any matte shades apart from that purple one? No, I didn't, because, I mean, I've got a million. What I don't have are enough beautiful shiny green ones, so I did that. I'm going to wipe these off now, though. Right, now I'm faced with the task of actually putting them on my face. How are we going to do this, son? Alright, let's do something weird. Full shimmer eye look. I'm not going to use the purple one. I'm going to save that up for another time. In the meantime, I'm going to use... Look, I mean, look though. Don't look at those ones. Look at that. There. Look at those. I'm going to use almost all of those. Full shimmer eye look. Yes, I know. Very strange. But I think it's a good idea. I'm going to get a big fluffy brush. I'm going to go into Tiffany, I think. Tap that on there really gently, right? See if I can't, you know, do something. Right. I'm going to go up here. This is a terrifying way to do makeup. I've slightly primed and powdered my eyelids. Just a little bit. Do a little bit more over here. Dare I get a little bit more? I think so. Okay. Cool. Good start. Now, I'm going to take a little brush, a little flat brush. I'm going to go onto this, the bright silver friend. Right. Just touch that on there ever so gently. And go right up under here. Pretend I'm carving out the brow. You can get a little bit more on there. Don't be afraid, Taffy. It's okay. It's just bright silver. It's fine. Seeing as I got this little brush out, I'm going to go, yeah, back into the silver and do people usually do this last? They probably usually do, but I'm going to go in and in a corner myself with the silver. Yeah, that's pretty bright, dude. Okay, now I'm going to get a fluffy brush, I guess. I'm going to go into what I believe is spearmint. Hey, look, there's me. Yeah. Alright, and just, oh, okay, that's, yep. I'm going to go underneath this, and, oh dear, that is very pretty. Holy. Is it the sort of shadow that is really appropriate for what I'm doing? Not really. Do I care? No. I'm going to have a big shiny green eye. It's going to be beautiful. Okay, bit more on the brush, right? I don't even have to tap it off, man. There's no fallout. That's sick. Okay. Do the same over here. Normally, I put shimmers on. Not with a brush dipped in, what do people use? Not with a brush wetted with setting spray or any of that nonsense. I just go straight in with finger for maximum shininess payoff. In this case, I just tap that on the thing like once or twice. And this is happening and it looks good. I can go back with Tiffany, right, and just make sure Tiffany still exists up here. Sort of a gradient from the bluishest of greens to the yellowishest of greens. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that looks exquisite. Now, this guy's kind of fluffy, bit smaller though. I'm going to go into the dark one, which is called Lost Woods. And then I'm going to darken up the sexy shimmer crease that I'm going to try and achieve. Okay, so Okay, okay, other side, other side, other side. I am being parsimonious with the amount of stuff I'm putting on my brush. I will have you know. Like, the lightest little touch into the pan. Damn! That is a sexy crease. Holy shit. Okay. Next plan, right? Meadow, and Wealth going on the lid, right? Right, one side of my brush is going to be used for Wealth. Very little format. Okay, and... oh, hello, pretty thing. Yep. That's real pretty. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, okay, okay. Now, other side into, what's it called? Meadow, right? Grab that, just gonna grab that on the other side of this little flat brush, right? And then do the outside bit. Oh, this is a lot greener than the other one. That looks very gold in the pan, but on the eye it's, green with a gold shift? Oh, it's fun though. Okay, look at this. Right, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna chuck on a cheeky little bit of black liquid eyeliner. Yeah, I think that's fine. Right, other side. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Now what I did want to do for fun. Right, I'm just gonna quickly line my waterline with black, obviously. Now I've done that, I'm gonna do something fun. I think it's gonna be fun. Yeah, I think it'll work. Very small brush. This bright blue sapphire, right? I'm just gonna swizzle, just a gentle little swizzle on the end of this. Now I'm going to go over the black. I think that looks cool. Okay, underneath the eye, same sapphire, kind of smoking out that bottom bit with some bright shiny blue. Oh, these are so pretty. I don't know if you can even comprehend how pretty all of this is. God, it's so pretty. Man, it makes my eyes look a crazy color though. You see that? They look orange. My eyes look very orange. Okay, I'm gonna chuck on a little bit of mascara, right? Okay, this is the Falsies Push Up Angel. This is not your usual mascara brush. Don't blink too much till it's dry, mate. You know where your eyelashes put stuff way up there. You know that happens. Okay, other side. Okay, is this mascara amazing? Huh. Now let's try the bottom ones. Well, okay. Colour me bright green, but impressing. What am I doing? A lip. Right. What do you think about this? Okay, first up, it took 2 months. It took 2 months. It took 2 months to get here, all this stuff. I mean, I knew before I ordered that the turnaround time, you know, it's usually 3 weeks. I knew it would be a bit longer because there was a disclaimer up on the site, but I inquired. I got a free eyeshadow. So am I complaining? Not necessarily, no. Everything got here fine. Packaging, excellent. Nothing broke, which happens more often than it should because the couriers in this country are notoriously rough with everything. Did I get all of the colours that are almost exactly the same? Yeah. Can you ever have too many beautiful green eyeshadows? No. I'm gonna have to play more with like the single matte one that I got. I don't know how that performs. It was nice on the arm. It was pretty creamy. It was cool. All of these though, I mean, that's most of that, all of it. This is just shimmer from brush. That's not even me scrubbing in and then doing this like I usually do with my shimmers. I'm really pleased. I'm really pleased. I think it's amazing. Glaminatrix Cosmetics. I'll link it down below. Go have a look at the catalogue. Yeah, this has been a fun first wear of all of them. So, I hope you've had fun watching. I've had fun playing. If you'd like to push the little subscribe button and come be a friend of Taffy, you know, I'm not going to say no. And I'm going to take off now. So, have a cool day. Peace out. I love you.